Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing tracking your portfolio and how to build one and what mine looks like for 2024. So I've recently just made mine. It's a copy of 2023 and I've added a wee bit of what I think I need going on to the following year. So just again a disclaimer, the information presented on this channel and in the videos is only intended for entertainment purposes and make sure to do your own research. Okay, so before we jump in, I will show you, if you would like free shares, I've made a video on how to get these using the Webull app. The link is in the description for all the different trading platforms that I use, and if you sign up using these links, you will get free shares if the promotions are running at the time. Okay, so let's jump in. So, why? The most important thing to invest in is having a way to track your money. If you don't know what you're doing with your money, or if it's going up or down, or all your portfolios are, you don't know what the values are, it's really difficult. So you need to be able to track your dividends, your gains and your losses, your individual portfolios, and year-on-year progress. So from previous years to now, or from the start of the year to now, what is happening with your portfolios. You need to know so that you can either adjust or it shows how well you're doing or how badly you're doing, and you need to know because at the end of the day, everyone wants to be making money, and the best way to do it is to track it and make sure you are. Okay, so how? There are many apps on the App Store, on the Google App Store or the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. There's plenty of them. They do budgeting, portfolio trackers, dividend trackers. There's lots on there. However, I feel that I don't get enough out of these. They're not customizable. I need to add things into mine. I need to be able to put certain things that I would like into mine. That's why I use Excel, or if you're on an Android device, an Apple device, you could use Apple Pages, which comes with every iPad, so it may be very easy to make one on your phone, just a simple one. It depends how complex you would like to go. So what I'll do is I'll now show my portfolio that I use on my Excel, and how I made it. We'll run through it and we'll put in some numbers and just show how it works for the following year for 2024, and this is what I'll be using in the following year. Okay, so we'll jump over to Excel now. Okay, that's us over to the Excel spreadsheet that I have. So I've made from a 2023 one, I've now copied over to 2024, and I've listed everything that I have got. So I've added in the Webull, because I'm going to start using this as of next year to hold my US companies, or some of them, out with my ISA. I've got my Trading 212, Vanguard, NS&I, and Webull. So this is all my investment platforms. And if I scroll down, you can see that it's quite a large table, because I usually track maybe 3 times a month and just put in the numbers. So I try to do beginning, middle, and sort of towards the end of each month. Okay, so the investment change, including money added. So this includes the money that I've added. I've got another one that takes away the money that I've added. Okay, so this will add the total of all of these. So it's probably easiest just to show. So I'll add in 100, 100, sorry, that's 1,000. And 100, so it should be 300 in total. And then what we'll do is we'll go here and we'll show, so it's now 120, 110, so it's gain of 20, 10, and minus, we'll go 100 for this one, so it's not changed. Then we'll go 90 on this one, and then 110 and 120. So this then allows us to see, so the change from previous is we're actually up to 330, and in here we're actually down £10, and it shows the percentage up or down. And then this is the change since start, so it shows that we're actually still up 6.25% from the start when I put these numbers in up here from the 300. Okay, so summary. So I've got the total amount of investments, which takes the last number on this column here, and it will just follow that down. So it shows the last one there. Total dividends will come to. Total income will come to as well. Total investment gain minus the income. So the income is shown here, and this takes away from that, and then this is it shown as a percentage as well. So this is the target for my year. I set the target. I've not decided what my target's going to be next year, and then this takes away from this one up here, away from the target, and shows how much more you need to add before you hit your target. And then this is an amount at start and current amount, and it shows the change since start as well. So income, I add what date, what investment it's went into, whether it's stocks or crypto, whatever it may be, what the amount is. So if I put 100 in here, and then we go back up to the top, it shows that we're actually down 26% because the total amount on it and investments is this much, but I've only added, the gain is £80, so we're actually down. I'll need to have a look at that as well. Yeah, okay, so I need to have a wee look at that and change some numbers around with that. I know what's happened. It's because I added these. I need to move it down to the income for further down. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is for the following year, this is new, I'm going to add in my Trading 212 dividends, my total Vanguard dividends up to 2024, so the end of 2023. This will show the total dividends up to this point. Then I will track my dividends for 2024, and they'll be added in here, and the total dividends will be put in here. And then this here will add all of this column here plus the number up here, and then the total dividends to date will add this number and this number here, and that will show how much money I've made off dividends from Vanguard, from Trading 212. And if I start using that the following year, I will add that in as well. NSNI is only interest. I don't track interest because I know it's going to be a set figure of 6% maybe, or whatever it may be. So yeah, that's my portfolio tracker that I use. If you would like me to set up a link where you could follow and copy this tracker, I don't have a problem with doing that. Just let me know in the comments section, and I will try and work out a way to make this available, so you can just follow a link and add it and maybe change it a wee bit for yourself and use it. Okay, so we'll jump back over to the PowerPoint just to wrap up. Okay guys, so I'd like to just say thank you very much again for the continued support. If you could please like and subscribe, it always helps out. And if you'd like to watch any of my other videos, I will leave them here as well. So thank you very much guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.